Welcome to Airtel Billing. Today we will learn where can we set the system and security. From system we will learn where can we do backup CDR, delete CDR and web CDR. Where can we set notification profile and notification setting. Details function of setting and tools. From security we will learn OTP setting, where can we set country security and device security. First, we will learn about system. For this, click the system from left side menu bar. If I want to backup call details record, then click backup CDR from system. Here, we can backup success call and failed call. To choose DGR date and click backup. If I want to backup only successful call, to choose DGR date, then select the backup only success call and click backup. Many calls are continued from peak hours. In this time, if you want backup or delete CDR, then pressure or load will be occurred to your server during processing this work. So the best time is non-peak hour to backup or delete CDR. Same way, we can do the delete CDR. Here, we can delete success call and failed call. To choose DGR date and click delete. If I want to delete only failed calls, to choose DGR date, then select delete only failed calls and click delete. We must be backup before deleting. Same way, in this work we will be done only non-peak hour. Now we will see the setting buttons. Click the settings. Here all options have to select by default. Will be no change here, but I will tell you for know this term. Here maximum duration 120, that means when call will 2 hours, then call will be automatically released by system. If you deselect the save failed calls, then failed calls will be not showing. Failed calls will be deleted from database. All reseller can have clients. Would be select this button. You can make pin or int user panel from reseller 432. If you deselect this, then you cannot get the int user panel from reseller 432. If you deselect the IVR option, then end user do not hear the voice balance notification. Here we are seeing SMTP. All options select here by default. From this address, you got OTP. Same way, SMS option had to select by default. Which address and footer you want to use for invoice, write here this address and write here this footer option. From web CDR, we can advertise for reseller panel. Here, which name we write a school message, this message will show the reseller panel. From import logo, we can set logo on reseller panel. If I have any dialer link, then set here and click edit. Then this link will be show the reseller panel. Now we will see the notification profile and notification setting. From notification profile, here we are seeing many notification. Here we will be add new notification by click add button. If I click low balance, we are seeing here send message to. Here we can send mail by select uniquely, wholesale clients, call shop clients, retail clients, reseller and admin. From which user you do this, you will be select here. From notification setting, click the low balance. We are seeing when wholesale balance will less than 7, then mail will be sent. Same way retail balance less than 2, call shop balance less than 3, reseller balance less than 4, then mail will be automatic send this customer. You can manually set this number. From new account, the new user will be get a welcome message. From research, when I research wholesale clients greater than 1, then mail will be sent. Same way retail clients when research greater than 2, then mail will be sent. In this way, we can set notification call shop clients and reseller customer. Now we will see ping, trace route and call trace from tools button. If I want to ping any IP or domain, click ping button. Here we'll give this IP or domain and click ping. Here see the connect time to ping this IP. And we also see here how many packet transmitted, received and lost. We can trace route from here. Give here IP or domain and click trace. Here we are seeing how many hops to trace this route and other details information. Same way we can trace call. For trace call, we will give originate IP, terminated IP, called number, caller ID and click start filter. In this way, we can do ping, trace route and call trace easily. Now we will see how can we set security in Airtel billing. Airtel gives 3-step security facility. First OTP, second country-wise permission allow and third device security. We will know this security term step by step. At first, we will see where I can set OTP. For this, click the user menu and click add. Here we can create a new user. Suppose I give here the username Brandsoft, password Brandsoft123, give here email ID, and if I want to mail this OTP, then select to option OTP by mail. And want to SMS, then select OTP by SMS. I want to OTP on mail, so I select here. Now click add. My user is created and I permission this user here. What will be create this user? I will be give permission here. Now I want to enter this billing. Here write the username and password which I create sometimes earlier. Here shows OTP has been sent to this user's mail. Now go to my mail. Here I see an OTP. Copy this and paste it here. Then click submit. Now we are seeing we are successfully entered this billing. Now we'll learn how can we set device security. Select here device security and click edit. Now we cannot log in this billing any device. When I allow, then we'll be enter this billing. Let's go to see this. For this, we want to use another browser to log in Airtel billing. Here give username and password. We are seeing this device is not allowed. For allow this device, click the ban devices. Here we are seeing the username, IP address, location and time. If we will allow this, then this device has been allowed for enter this billing. Now we can enter this billing easily to use this username and password. Now we will learn the country security. For this, at first we will be make the country list from firewall. Click country list and click add button. Here give any name, suppose BrandSoft. I do not select any reseller. Here DNA list, suppose we select here Afghanistan. That means we cannot log in this billing from this country. If I allow, that means we can log in only Afghanistan country. Here we deselect OTP by mail, device security and select country list and give here BrandSoft and click edit. Now I want to enter this billing from another browser. Give here username and password. Here shows you cannot log in from this location Bangladesh. Now if I select Bangladesh to my country list, then we can easily access this billing from Bangladesh. For check, give your username and password. See here, we are easily access this billing. In this way, we can easily set 3-step security for Airtel billing. Hope you like this video. Thanks to Stay with Airtel billing.